Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add an arrow to highlight a specific point in your video using DaVinci Resolve. This is perfect for drawing attention to details, like the share button in this example. I've included a link to a transparent arrow graphic in the description, so feel free to download it and follow along. First, move your timeline to the exact spot where you want the arrow to appear. For this demo, I want the arrow to pop up when the cursor hovers over the share icon. Go to your effects library, select Fusion Composition, and drag it onto the timeline, right where the arrow should show up. Now, position your timeline within the Fusion composition and switch over to the Fusion tab. Add a background node and connect it to the Media Out node. Connect Transparent Arrow Graphic to background node. Click on the background node and adjust the arrow's color to match your preferred style. Then, head back to the Edit tab to resize and rotate the arrow as needed using the Inspector panel. This lets you fine-tune its size and direction so it points exactly where you want. Lastly, for a cleaner look, adjust the length of the Fusion composition in your timeline. This way, the arrow appears just at the right moment and pops out exactly when needed. And that's it, a quick, easy way to add a custom pointer to your video.